Today I'm going to show you how to make banana and blueberry muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of caster sugar, 1 banana, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of mixed spice, and 150 grams of blueberries. Mine were frozen, but you can use fresh if you want. Firstly, in a bowl you want to mash your banana. Then to your milk add your mashed banana and your oil and give a really good mix until well combined. Then in a separate bowl to your flour add your caster sugar and your mixed spice, and again give this a really good mix until well combined. Then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and give this a mix until you have a nice batter. Then simply put your blueberries in and give this a mix until they're well distributed. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray with cupcake cases, you simply want to spoon your mixture into each case. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make banana and blueberry muffins.